Distance learning curricula in cloud computing. Block disk storage. Content prepared by Frane Urem. Good afternoon and welcome to the cloud computing course. This course was developed as a result of the Erasmus Plus project Code In. All you need for learning is internet access and a computer. The course contains a total of 10 topics, and in this topic, we will say something more about the block or disk storage services. At the core, the block volume service provides persistent and durable storage to compute instances. The advantage here is that the storage can be truly persistent and durable and extend beyond the instance's lifetime. This storage is called block volume. In this case, the data is managed as fixed-sized blocks. You create a partition, a file system, then mount a file system, and that's how your compute instances use the storage service. If you look at this picture, your compute instance is talking to a block storage disk. You can create and attach these disks to the compute instances. You can detach and delete the disks. And most importantly, you can keep the data even after you delete the instances. So the data is stored independently of the instance lifecycle, which is why you would use a block volume service to provide that persistent and durable storage. Persistent, meaning it is safe storage. It stays beyond the life cycle of the compute instances itself. So compute instance that gets terminated is still safe. Durable means we make multiple copies. So even if we lose one copy, we have other copies of the data available in the data center. We also have a feature which is called replication of block volumes. As you can see in the graphic here, the block volumes are being replicated from one region to another region. Why would you do that? You would do that for disaster recovery. You would do it for migration. Alternatively, if you expand your business, you can leverage this feature. The idea here is to replicate the data to multiple regions and keep in mind that this replication is asynchronous. Let's have a look at the block volume tiers. We start with a tier which is called Basic. This is good for large sequential I/O workloads like streaming data warehousing. Then you have a balanced tier, a balanced choice for random I/O and things like your boot disks. And finally, we have an ultra higher performance tier for the highest I/O demanding workloads, such as relational databases. To complete this unit, study and review the following online resources. Thank you for attention.